I'm going to show you this terminal toolkit in action here. Now, there's so many pieces, honestly. A lot of these probably overlap in terms of how they will help you. A lot of them are similar, so you got to find one that's going to fit inside of your terminal. And I want to show you, this is a radio harness plug right here. And I've got this little tiny pin style terminal tool. And I'm going to remove this one right here. So if you're doing some wiring work, this can be extremely helpful so that you don't have to cut the harness. You can just pop these things out. So I'm going to go in there with this, push, and once that's in there nicely, you kind of just pull that out of there. Pretty easy gig. And if you're doing a lot of electrical work, you work with a lot of harnesses, this is probably going to save the day sometimes. I know I'm pulling a little hard, but honestly, these things are brand new, so they're stuck in there. These wires are stuck in there pretty good. They don't have a whole lot of wiggle to them. But again, real easy to use. And like I said, there's so many in this kit that this was honestly the third or fourth one I found that I was going to try, and this is the one that worked. A lot of them are similar in shape. There's a lot of barrel style ones that probably are more specific, but there's a lot of two blades, you know, and like one of these, this one might work at the same time as this one, you know. So it's just going through and trying to find one that's going to work for you in there. But honestly, of all these things in there, I'm pretty sure that no terminal is ever going to stump me now. Great little kit. Price point's killer, so I'd highly recommend this thing.